Hi everyone, welcome back to Mindesk. Today we're going to go over 4 new design tools. Once you launch the plugin, select the spline command and turn on the end snap, which we'll cover later in the tutorials. Using your trigger finger, draw an S-like shape vertically. Magnetic guides allow you to keep the line planar. Notice the blue and red guides as you're clicking through. Next, let's turn on the knots and adjust the spline to a shape that we'd like to revolve around. By clicking the point and selecting the move command, you can start to adjust the spline. Try to keep the line in plane as well, but after you've adjusted the knots, twist around and make sure the line is still planar. Next, we're going to look at the revolve command. So select the end point, and with the other hand, while still holding that point, move your arm around in a circle, creating a vase-like shape. Okay, now we're going to try a similar thing using a different command. The poly command allows you to create straight lines of which we can try revolving. So again, start clicking through a zigzag-like shape, trying to make sure to keep everything planar. Once you're finished with that, we can go ahead and adjust the points using the knot tool. Move the points in profile, making sure to keep everything planar. Once you're happy with your profile, we'll go find the same revolve tool and grab the profile. Select the end point, hold it down, and revolve with your other hand until you see a 360-degree surface. Orbit around the model so you get a chance to see all sides of what you just modeled. And that's it. Thanks everyone, and stay tuned for more Mindesk tutorials and the follow-up of these design tools.